Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. So in this video I'm talking about the update of the Polygon Matic. What's the latest update? And my friends, this video is absolutely going very surprise video for all of Polygon Matic holders, my friends. But before starting this video, please, if you are new on my channel, so please I request all of you to make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Absolutely, if you subscribe my channel, so you will never miss any update about cryptocurrencies market. It is time. The latest price of the Polygon Matic is 0.808301 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Polygon Matic. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes occur and the Polygon Matic is positive. So my friends, the good news is the surprise news is that after a long term, the Polygon Matic start jumping. So absolutely, that's a good news for all Polygon Matic that after a long term falls, after 1 month, after 2 weeks, the price start jumping, my friends. So I think that's good news for all of you, my friends. So it's time to celebrate, my friends. Anyways, let's see more about the Polygon Matic. If we talk about the price chart, oh my god. So today also falls down over in the Polygon Matic, but in the last hour, everything is going good, my friends. The situation start jumping, my friends. So don't worry, my friends. You know what? After a long term, if they start jumping, so I'm sure that they continue this jump for a long time, my friends. Anyways, so what do you think? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Polygon Matic? Please also share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates.